Okay. So hi everyone, this is Sanidhya. So PRISM Train the Trainers program. Now this is a very powerful tool which has helped me to learn on how and to design a particular training and how to deliver content effectively, be it to my juniors or to my seniors or to anybody who is working outside my organization. Now research methodologies available as well as learning the various nuances of AI and machine learning. Now, this workshop was really helpful because it pointed out exactly what I was lacking. Simply speaking isn't enough. You have to be presentable and you have to make sure that whatever you're speaking is being ingested and retained well by those who are attending. Now, a lot of key takeaways from this project, and I wish everyone the best who's attending this training. It's really good. Thank you.
The reason behind is I worked in Tata Steel for quite some time, and we have learned many training sessions. We passed through many training sessions, executives and all those things. And even in Jindal also I worked. SMS Group is also multinational group. But this particular training, what I have seen is completely engaged almost all 3 days.
Thank you so much.
We never, I mean, personally, I never feel any boring or sleepy kind of thing. Every minute or every second, you can say the thing is engaged.
Fun, enjoy.
And we are also enjoy and work with the different teams because these people I never met. I know only the Pratik and there is one more person. He was not there. But the rest of the team, we made the colleagues over here.
Yeah.
Because every time we are working with the different teams.
Yeah.
This is especially, we can say that this content is very good.
Thank you.
And the teamwork is perfect. And whatever the role play we have done is absolutely is fabulous.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Trainers,
Thank you so much.
especially.
Thank you.